Hello, my beautiful and amazing people. It is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. I'm out in the allotment today, and I went shopping today, and I purchased something. And I'm just gonna give you guys. I look a little bit rough, but it's okay. I'm gonna be shaving soon. You guys are looking, seeing the boy kind of clean, looking nice. Don't worry about that. But I went shopping into my local garden center, and this is what I found. Let me show you guys. I bought some tomatoes. I was watching Lead Farmer the other day, and he was saying like sometimes just go into the shop, buy it, and put it in the ground, and just get fruit or vegetable. Because sometimes you ain't gonna have the time. So sometimes it's better just go in the shop and pick them up and buy them and stick them in the ground, take care of them, and they will produce some food. Why wait for your seeds to germinate all the time? If your season is running late, just pop into the garden center and grab some. But this was a deal. There were 199 pounds, which is probably about $2 something in American dollars, or I'm not sure exactly about the other currencies in the world. These are some two money makers ones, and this is a different variety. But they were all 3, 4, 5 pounds. But normally you will only get one plant, you know. But I was scurrying around and I saw this tray or pot has 1, 2, 3, 4 plants. Naturally, you'll be coming out of that shop or garden center with only 3 plants. I have doubled up on my gain. Literally. Have a look around when you're buying your things, and you never know where you might save money, because this is a savings of a lifetime. I paid for 3 and I got 6. So sometimes have a look around at the pots that you're purchasing. You never know what you might pick up, because in this pot I only supposed to have 1 and I got 4 in there and my 2 there. Yes, these 2 are bigger, but the possibility of actually having more for your value for your money, you might see and get a great amount of value for your money, because this is the world right now where everybody's struggling with financial gains, and this way you can save money to produce food. And that is the greatest part about it, is to produce food, and that is so great. So never just go in and grab a plant. Have a look around, because sometimes when these seeds are being sold, 1 or 2 might fall out because they're so tiny. So have a look around and see what you can get. You never know what you might get. That is me, Rambo Greenhand. And before I actually sign out, I just keep forgetting to do this. And I want to say thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for the new subscribers. And thank you for those that are watching me. And if you love what I'm doing, hit the like button. It does help my channel to grow bigger, better, and reach more people, because the information is free. You never know when you might need it. See you guys next time. And please, look after the planet.